Did you know you can now create any sound effect in 11 Labs? You don't need to look for places to download sound effects. Everything can be done with this hidden feature. Hit the follow button and I'll show you how to do this. The first thing we're going to do is to go to 11labs.io and then we are going to click on sound effects and then we enter the sound effects that we want to create. You can say, oh, woman, shouting, and then click generate. So let's download this and play it. So we can generate others. We can say hurricane and thunderstorm. Let's click on generate sound effects and we can play this. So everything can be done here on 11 Labs.